Oh, this is so cool! Hi everybody, it's Kate from KatyDid. Today, to celebrate the new year, we are going to slab an agate that is 7.1 pounds. I found it actually in 2019, in December, just at the very, very end of the year, when I was filled with hope and promise that 2020 was going to be just great. Since it didn't turn out that way, I thought we'd do a little rewind and start 2021 with a great thing that happened in 2019. So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out. So this is probably another one of those things that look so much like an agate that they fool me. But I have to go wash it off just to find out. Oh my gosh. You guys, I think it's an agate. Oh no, I can't believe it. Oh my goodness, that's so crazy. Oh man, it was so worth going out in the horribleness. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I gotta find a better place to wash it off. Hang on, this is too muddy. Okay, we've gotten to a place where the water is a little cleaner. You can see a little bit more into it. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that water is so cold. I didn't even notice. I'm so excited. Holy cow. Oh, that is just nuts. Oh. Well, I guess it was worth crossing the river. As part of a celebration of the new year, I actually cleaned my saw and got rid of all the gunky oil and kind of made it a new start. So hopefully we'll find something really great. I also moved it into my basement, so I'll be able to cut rocks when it's cold. One of the great things about Montana agates is that you never know what you're going to find. So this could be a total flop, or it could be something super awesome. Let's take a look. I use mineral oil in my saw. A lot of people use cutting oil. This is an 18-inch slab saw, so you really can't use water. A lot of people use water for smaller saws, but anything over 10 inches, I've read that you really shouldn't use water. So I just replaced the oil. It was pretty darn disgusting. And now it's beautiful and clean. So splash it over the rock. Oh, you don't actually have to do that. I'm just being all excited about my new oil. Anyway, you just want to fill it until it covers the bottom inch or so of your saw. And in this particular case, that's about 5 gallons. So I ordered this on Amazon. It's a little expensive, but it lasts a long time. Oh, and my little plug came out, so I have a bathtub plug. All right, now it's there. Okay, so one last check, just making sure this doesn't wiggle around at all. And we're gonna do it. One thing to be very careful of when you are using oil, fresh oil or old oil, is to wear protective gear because it actually volatilizes in the saw and you don't want to breathe that stuff in. So this is the most exciting part, is seeing what we've gotten so far. Let's take a look. So it looks so far like there's lots and lots of beautiful inclusions in this, not a lot of cracking so far, and the big ones that I've cut up until this point have always been very, very cracked. So we'll see if that holds true for this one or if it is going to be less so. I also am going to put the chain on. What this does is keeps it from going all the way across the saw. It'll stop it. It'll pull the on switch off and make it so that you don't have to keep track of it all the time. I'm just going to check one more time to make sure we're nice and tight. I'm going to what I just did right there is to move it forward. You could see it going forward in the frame there. And then I turned this 5 times, which is about 1/4 inch. You can do fatter or skinnier, but 1/4 inch is about what I've found that Jim is pretty good at cabbing. So 1/4 inch is what we're going to do. So we're going to leave this now, see how it goes, and I'll get back to you as soon as it's done. Okay, so we are opening up the saw past the slab. We saw that at the end of it, it looked pretty good, but kind of not quite so exciting yet. I'm really, really excited to see what's inside here. Are you ready? Oh my gosh! Oh, this is gonna be so gorgeous. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, this is so cool. We'll take the picture of this lit up very shortly, but meanwhile, I need to keep on slabbing and see what we can get. Safety first. Oh my goodness. Oh, Jim, this is like the best agate I've ever cut. Look at it. Look at this.
Oh my. Wow.
It's so solid. Oh my gosh, this is such a great thing. I'm so glad I decided to cut it. Let's do another one. Uh-oh, I think I took it backwards. I was so excited. I was so excited I screwed it backwards. Oh, there's still so many slabs left. I'm so excited. Oh, they just get better and better. Look at this.
Holy mackerel. That's just astonishing.
Unbelievable. All right, one more, and then we'll say Happy New Year.
I don't understand how we can cut those down into small pieces.
Well, maybe we won't. Okay, so this has been sitting a while, so I'm not gonna mask up here, but I still am gonna hold my breath just in case.
Oh, when you tip it just right, it catches it. No, the other way. It catches the light. Those blues there.
Just gorgeous. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to click the subscribe button. There are several ways to support this channel financially. See the details in the description below. I appreciate all of you so much, and I really hope that 2021 shows us a little more mercy than 2020 did. This is Kate from KatyDid.
This is Mr. Did.
Wishing you
Happy New Year!
And keep on doing.